This little portable projector might just simplify the way we use our setups and work anywhere from our living room to bedroom and even outdoors under the stars. We have a lot of setups in our house, which we are super grateful for and love to utilize as much as possible, both personally and in our content creation. This causes a few issues though, since we, for example, need to buy multiple of a lot of stuff, especially TVs, monitors, and projectors, which is expensive. If you're just starting out, this can be very overwhelming quickly, limiting you to only one setup, which, believe me, is more than enough, but if you're able to, having a variety of different rooms help your content stand out a lot. The world's first portable projector with detachable surround speakers might just fix all those issues. And it's not just for content creators either. It's also great for personal viewing, as you can use the same projector in your bedroom, living room, guest room, without having to buy 3 separate screens. This is why we wanted to cover a solution to this quote-unquote problem by introducing you guys to a portable projector. One that even includes a built-in dual-arm gimbal, which means you can even project the movie onto the ceiling if you want to. Today, we will be taking a look at Anker's new projector, the Nebula P1. We got our hands on a pre-released version, so some things might be slightly different in the official version when it launches, which we look forward to. Thank you to Anker for sponsoring this video and sending us the P1 for review. The Nebula P1 is the world's first portable projector with detachable speakers, which means it not only has immersive 2.0 surround sound and Dolby audio, but you can also easily move it around depending on where you want to use it. This is great if you, like us, have several rooms where you like to watch TV or game in, or you even want to take it outside for a movie night under the stars when it's nice. The best part is the detachable speakers, as you don't have to bring extra speakers or have to connect everything each time you move it. You simply just detach the speakers and place them around the room and enjoy. The battery of the speakers support over 20 hours of playback as well, which is more than enough even after watching several movies in a row. Now, sadly, the projector is not very bright, which is fairly typical for portable projectors as they are designed to be smaller and lighter than permanent models. For the size, the P1 is definitely one of the brightest. The P1 has 650 ANSI lumens brightness, which works great in dark rooms, but not so much in bright rooms. So best for bedrooms or living rooms with curtains, or for midnight movies outside that we mentioned earlier, where as little light as possible interacts with the projector. Thankfully though, it does look good in dark lighting conditions with clear 1080p resolution. We normally watch movies outside on our patio on our outdoor TV, but we wanted to try it with this portable projector. And honestly, even if it's not as bright as a TV, there's something so charming and nostalgic about watching movies on a projector. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, the projector does have built-in dual-arm gimbal for you to be able to make quick adjustments. This helps a lot since you don't have to get a separate projector stand, and you can line up the projector easily and perfectly for the best viewing angles. Another feature that makes this easy is the IEA 4.0 Intelligent Autofocus and Keystone, that quickly and accurately helps autofocus and keystone correct your image in seconds. As this is a portable projector, it is of course important that it's actually comfortable to move around and even store when not in use. Thankfully, the P1 has detachable carrying handle, which makes this very easy. It also has a rotating lens cover that protects it, as well as protection from the outside, like IP33 water and dust resistant. And not to mention its rugged design for added durability. Overall, it seems like a great portable projector, especially thanks to its detachable and high quality speakers, which makes for an easy all-in-one portable system. The image is also crisp and colorful, with useful keystone and focus calibration. What do you guys think? Would you watch movies outside on this projector? Let us know in the comments. And thank you again to Anker for sending us the Nebula P1 for review. You can check out the description below for more info and specs, as well as where to buy one for yourself. And thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. It really does help a lot. If you liked the video, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And why not take a moment and leave us a comment? We'd love to hear your feedback or other video ideas or product reviews you want us to cover. We also post daily short form videos to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram at CamXPetra, and live stream games on Twitch at CamXPetra TV, if that's more your speed. Until next time, bye.